Hi friends, here is Aditya from Aditya RPA in Bangalore. Now we are continuing introduction to UiPath RPA, that is robotic process automation. In this video we are going to see in detail about what are the panels in UiPath RPA. Once you select any project, it goes to this area, and the first panel is the quick access toolbar. And it is located by default on the title bar and above the ribbon, and that we can easily move it to below, and it provides us shortcuts for most user commands, and we can add like a new ones to it by right clicking a desired button and selecting the add to quick access toolbar option. So it's appear here, and then we can move it like on below, or we can leave it like this here. Okay, show below the ribbon and give a right mouse click. You can see add to quick access toolbar, and give a right mouse click and add to quick access toolbar, then add to quick access toolbar, and again we can add to quick access toolbar. And the next one is the workflow designer panels. So the designer panels contains like multiple panels for an easier access to specific functionalities. Means they can be docked, act as a floating windows, or we can auto hide. We can hide, like we have an option like auto hide, we can be enabled. So I'll show you that one. So give a right mouse click. Okay, click on here. So float, dock as a document, auto hide, like this. Next we'll see about the main panel. The main panel displays the current workflow or workflows. It enables us to make changes to them and provides quick access to variables, arguments and inputs, and it's possible to navigate within a workflow by double clicking the activity when we want to view, and the path is displayed as a breadcrumbs in the header of the main panel. So here is like a main panel. So here it displays our current workflow, and we can change them, we can edit them, and then we can provide a quick access to variables. So if you give a double click on here, so we'll go to this main window. We'll call like a main panel. Now we can see the activities panel will provide a quick access to all available activities that can be dragged to the current workflow. It features like a search box, and it will show the activities list, enables to hide or show the favorites or recent and available folders of activities. It contains it can manage like a packages. The functionalities enables which to install an additional activity packages. And here is like an activity panel, and we have like a search option, and we can simply drag. If we give a double click on any one of these items under activities panel, so it comes to this main panel. Okay, now we are going to select a library panel. This enables us. So this panel enables us to easily to reuse workflows. A search box will include to facilitate to find the items very fast, and it includes by default multiple samples and snippets, and we can add our own by clicking add folder button and selecting the directory from our hard drive. And we can remove to remove a folder, just give a right mouse click and then select a remove. And here you can find out a library. And if you click on a library, you can see expand all, and you can see samples, advanced text, snippets, and collapse. Then refresh, and to create a new folder. So we can add folders here. The next one is like project panel. Will allow, it enables us to view the contents of the current project, and we can open the file location in a Windows Explorer window, and we can connect to a team project from the team foundation server, that is TFS, and create a new project directly from this panel. And I'll go to UiPath and click on like a projects. So if we click on here, it goes to like a project location, file folder, then use like show all, so refresh it, and then we can remove like unused screenshots. Then we can connect to a project like to a source control, like a TFS. The next one is a properties panel. It's a contextual and enables us to view and change the properties of a selected activity, and the properties can be sorted like alphabetically, while the search box enables us to look for like a specific one. And here is like a properties panel. The next one is like an outline panel. So it displays the workflow hierarchy and all available variables, nodes, includes like search box. So it enables us to like easily navigate a large workflow, and we can highlight activities in this panel by selecting them in the main panel, and we can go to a specific activity by selecting in the outline panel. And here you can find out like outline panel. And the final one is the output panel. So it enables us to display the output of the like a log messages, means like results, like a write line activities, as well as the logs when the debug mode is like activated. The logs are like a more or less detailed. So depending on the option, we have selected an executive tab, and then under options, under logging level, we can find out here execute, options, and then log activities.